Good morning class 11th D and C. Today I am going to you chapter, name of the chapter is the address. As you know it very well, yesterday I explained that chapter and the remaining part of the chapter I am going to give today. So please take out your book and listen to me carefully. कल तक आपने पढ़ा कि वो जो लड़की है वो जाती है उसके दरवाजे पर, तो उस अब आज 15 साल की लड़की ने दरवाज़ा खोला था। उसने दरवाज़ा खोलते पूछा क्या माँ है तुम्हारी घर में? उसने कहा नहीं मेरी माँ नहीं है, किसी ज़रूरी काम से बाहर गई हैं, आप बताइए आपको क्या काम है। आई फॉलोड द गर्ल along the passage and old-fashioned iron Hanukkah candle holder hung next to the mirror. We never used to it because it was much more cumbersome than a single candlestick. Would not you sit down? Asked the girl. She had opened the door of the living room and I went inside the past her. I stopped horrified. I was in a room I knew and I did not know. I found myself in the midst of the thing I did not want to see again, but which oppressed me in the strange atmosphere, or because of the tasteless way and everything was arranged, because of the ugly furniture and the muggy smell moved to a chair. Muggy smell that hung there, I do not know, but scarcely dared to look around me. The girl moved a chair. I sat down and stared at the woolen tablecloth. क्या कहती है, उस लड़की ने उसे चेयर दी, वो चेयर पर बैठ गई और उसका वूलन क्लॉथ को देखने लग गई. I rubbed it, my fingers grew warm with rubbing. I followed the lines of the pattern. Somewhere on the edge there should be a burn mark that had never been repaired. My mother will be back soon. मेरी माँ जल्दी आने वाली होगी. said the girl. I have already made tea for her. मैं उसके लिए पहले ही चाय बना सकती हूँ. Will you have a cup? क्या आप चाय लेंगी? I looked up. The girl put cups ready on the tea table. She had a broad back, just like her mother. She poured tea from a white pot. It was a gold border on the lid. I remember she opened the box and took some spoons out. उसने क्या कहा, बैग मुझे याद है, उसने अपना बैग को उसमें बॉक्स खोला और उसमें से चम्मच स्टैंड से चम्मच निकाली. देयर इज ए नाइस बॉक्स, बहुत सुंदर बॉक्स था. आई हियर्ड माई ओन वॉइस. इट वॉज द स्टैंड वॉइस एज दो ईच साउंड वॉज डिफरेंट इन दिस रूम. Oh, you know about them. She had turned around and brought me my tea. She laughed. My mother says it is an antique. And we have got lots more. She pointed round the room. See for yourself. I had no need to follow her hand. I knew which things she meant. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I had always fancied the apple of the butter plate. We use it for everything. We use it for everything, she said. Once we even ate off the plates hanging there on the wall. I wanted to so much, but it was not anything special. I had found the burn mark on the tablecloth. मैंने उस टेबल क्लॉथ में एक जले का निशान पाया. The girl looked questioningly to me. Yes, I said. उस लड़की ने पूछा आप क्या देख रही हैं? तो मैंने कहा हाँ मैं कुछ देख रही हूँ. You get so used to touching all these lovely things in the house, you hardly look at them anymore. You only notice when something is missing, because it has to be repaired or because you have lent it for a jump. Again I heard the unnatural sound of my voice, and I went on. I remember my mother once asked me if I could help her polish the silver. It was a very long time ago and I was probably bored that day, or perhaps I had to stay at home because I was ill. As she had never asked me before, I asked her which silver she meant, and she replied, surprised, that it was the spoons, forks and knives, and of course, and that was a strange thing. I did not know the cutlery we ate of every day was silver. And the girl laughed again. लड़की को फिर हंसी. I bet you don't know it is either. I looked intently to her. Well, and we eat it, she asked. Well, do you know? She hesitated. She walked to the sideboard and wanted She hesitated. She walked the sideboard and wanted to open a drawer. वो कुछ संकोच सा उसने किया और उसके बाद वो साइड ही थोड़ी और वो ड्रॉर खोलने जा रही थी. I will look. It is in her. I jumped up. I was forgetting the time. I must catch my train. She had. उसने कहा क्या कहा कि बेचारे मैं तो भूल ही गई थी, मेरे तो ट्रेन पकड़ने का टाइम हो गया है. She had her hand on the drawer and don't you want to wait for my mother. उसने क्या कहा, उसने अपना हाथ ड्रॉर पे रखा और कहा डोंट यू वांट टू वेट फॉर माई मदर, क्या तुम मेरी माँ का इंतजार नहीं करना चाहोगी. नो आई मस्ट गो, नहीं मुझे जाना है. आई वॉक टू द डोर. लड़की जो थी वो डोर तक आ गई. द गर्ल पुल्ड द ड्रॉर ओपन, और लड़की ने दरवाजा जो था से ड्रॉर खुली छोड़ दी. I can find my own way. Or as I walked down the passage, I heard the jingling of spoons and forks at the corner of the road. I looked up at the nameplate, Marconi Street. I said I had been at number 46. The address was correct. But now I did not want to remember it anymore. I would not go back there because the objects that are linked in your memory with the familiar life of former times instantly lost their value when severed from them. You see them again in strange surroundings, and what should I have done with them in a small rented room where sets of black out paper still hang along the windows and no more than a handful of cutlery fitted in the narrow table drawer. I resolved to forget the address of all the things I had to forget. That would be the easiest. क्या कहा उसने क्या कहा कि जो जहाँ पर उसने केवल अपना लड़की क्या कहती है, और फिर से मैं किराए के छोटे से कमरे में जहाँ पर दीवार के कागज काले पड़ के फट गए थे, दीवार के कागज पर काले पड़ गए, और खिड़कियाँ भी अब खिड़कियों पर अब भी लटके हुए थे जहाँ केवल मुट्ठी भर कांटे छुरी इत्यादि एक संकरी सी मेज की दराज में रख दी गई थी. वहाँ मैं उन सामानों को लेकर जाकर क्या करती. मेरा पता भूल जाने का इरादा था. मुझे सभी चीज़ों को भूलना था जो मेरे लिए सबसे अधिक आसान था. Students, now write down the question answer of this chapter as reading with insight. Write down the first question. I am dictating the question answer. Write down the question. Have you come back? Reading with insight. आप देखिए सबसे पहले जो आप क्वेश्चन लेंगे NCERT बेस है आपके reading with insight. Short questions and answers. Write down. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ये देखिए दिया हुआ है reading with insight, यही आपका ऊपर पड़ेगा. Have you come back? Question mark. Have you come back? Said the woman. Have you come back? Said the woman. I thought that no one had come back. I thought that no one had come back. इसको सिंगल कॉमास में करिए. No one had come back. I thought that no one had come back को सिंगल कॉमा में करिए. Does this statement give some clue, CLUE clue, about the story? Question mark. If yes, why yes? If yes, comma, what is it? बच्चों क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से देखिए. हैव यू कम बैक क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेड द वुमेन फुल स्टॉप. आई थॉट दैट नो वन कैन हैड कम बैक, ये सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में है. डज दिस स्टेटमेंट गिव सम क्लू अबाउट द स्टोरी क्वेश्चन मार्क. इफ यस कॉमा व्हाट इज इट क्वेश्चन मार्क. लिखिए आंसर. द स्टेटमेंट हैव यू कम बैक. द स्टेटमेंट हैव यू कम बैक. कम बैक के बाद क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाइए और हैव यू कम बैक सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखिए. सेड द वुमेन फुल स्टॉप. I thought that no one came back. I thought that no one come back. Yes, comma. Yes, comma. This statement gives some clue about the story. Full stop. The clue is about the liberation. The clue is about the liberation. LIBERATION. Liberation war. फुल स्टॉप. मिसेज डार्लिंग स्पेलिंग लगाइए. M कैपिटल में रहेगा. मिसेज डार्लिंग का D कैपिटल में रहेगा. मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड. हर फ्रेंड्स डॉटर. मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड हर फ्रेंड्स डॉटर. इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. एज हर फ्रेंड्स डॉटर. As her friends apostrophe S है. As her friend's daughter confronted the liberation. Confronted CONFRONTED. Confronted the liberation war. Confronted the liberation war. Full stop. There was no chance of returning. There was no chance of returning alive from the war. There was no chance from returning from the war. War का W कैपिटल में रहेगा. But her friend's daughter came back alive. Come back alive, and the top of that was claiming. CLAIMING claiming her mother's article alive. Full stop. Mrs. Darling was DUMB dumb. Mrs. Darling was DUMB dumb. Full stop. She felt that all things were going away. She felt that all the things were going away beyond her access. EXCESS. And she was unhappy on coming back of her friend's daughter from the war. Full stop. All this indicates Mrs. Darling's dishonesty. Comma wicked. WICKED wicked nature. Comma greed. GREED greed. And cleverness. GRED greed and cleverness. ओके बच्चों, आज हमने आपको चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया और आपको ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर में से ये क्वेश्चन दिया. इसके बाद बाकी बचे हुए मैं इसके क्वेश्चन के आंसर कल दूंगी और कल आपका ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाएगा. ओके बच्चों, और इसके बाद आप लोगों को करना क्या है, आप लोग इसको अच्छे से कॉपी में कंप्लीट करके वर्क सेंड करिएगा और तभी आपको 1 मार्क्स दिया जाएगा. पर डे के होमवर्क में आपको 1 मार्क्स अलॉटेड है. ओके बच्चों, ओके क्लास, थैंक यू.